I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish goulash. This classic dish is surprisingly easy to prepare and packed with incredible flavor. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the freshest fish to simmering a rich, aromatic sauce. Get ready to impress your taste buds with a comforting meal that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the delicious world of fish goulash. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. For the fish, aim for about 2 pounds of a firm white variety, such as cod or halibut, cut into 2-inch pieces. You'll also need 2 large onions, 3 colorful bell peppers, and 4 cloves of garlic, all finely chopped. Don't forget 1 large can of diced tomatoes, plenty of sweet paprika, and about 4 cups of vegetable broth to form the base of our goulash. Now let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions and bell peppers in a large pot with a little oil until they're soft and fragrant. Next, stir in the minced garlic, a generous amount of sweet paprika, and the can of diced tomatoes. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Finally, carefully add your fish pieces to the sauce and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes, or until the fish is tender and flakes easily. Your delicious fish goulash is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with a spoonful of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an extra touch of flavor. It pairs wonderfully with some crusty bread to soak up all that rich sauce, or alongside a bed of fluffy rice. This comforting meal is perfect for a cozy evening. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.